This lesson demonstrates how to do transcription. Many transcriptionists prefer to use software like Listen and Write, which is what we will use here. Listen and Write has unique transcription features that allow you to upload and transcribe and edit your transcript on the same platform. So here is how you transcribe from scratch using the Listen and Write audio player software. The first step is to open your transcription software. In this case, we are using Listen and Write. Upload the audio file you want to transcribe as shown here.
You can speak fluent Afrikaans, and you speak Afrikaans still with your mother. Do you ever use speaking in Afrikaans to speak behind?
Now adjust the playback speed to a level you are comfortable with, like I'm doing here.
Language with my mum.
Begin the transcription process by giving your transcript a title or heading. Play the audio file from the beginning and type what you hear while labeling the speakers.
You grew up in South Africa. South Africa, and you can speak fluent Afrikaans, and you speak Afrikaans still with your mother. Your mother. Mother, do you ever use Afrikaans still with your mother? South Africa, and you can speak fluent Afrikaans, and you speak Afrikaans still with your mother. Do you ever use speaking in Afrikaans to Afrikaans to speak behind people's backs of things about them, things about them, so that they don't know what you're talking. What you're talking about.
What do you think?
Well, I would do it all the time. If I had a language with my mum or a friend,
Yeah. Yes.
I would constantly be going, God, look at his shoes. Look at his shoes, isn't he? Isn't he a state?
And
In a completely different isn't he a state? In a completely different
and the good thing about Afrikaans is
his shoes, isn't he a state? In a completely different
and the good thing about Afrikaans is like 3% of percent percent of the world's population speaks Afrikaans.
Yeah.
So you have a pretty good shot.
You grew up in South Africa, and you can speak fluent Afrikaans.
If you're supposed to include timestamps at every speaker change, this is how you do it. Place the cursor where you want the timestamp to appear, then click on the timestamp button.
You grew up in South Africa, and you can speak fluent Afrikaans, and you speak Afrikaans still with your mother. Do you ever use speaking in Afrikaans to speak behind people's backs to sort of say things about them so that they don't know what you're talking about? Talking about.
What do you think?
Well, I would do. I would do it all the time. If I had
Always remember to save your work. Choose your file name, storage location, and preferred file format. Keep saving after every few minutes so as not to lose your work. Now, after transcribing the entire file, you can edit the transcript on Listen and Write or use MS Word. Now, make the necessary edits and format the transcript to your liking or according to the client's or company's instructions. Your final transcript should look like this or better.